Hello everyone, you are watching EngLango and this is your instructor Hamid Talash Ibrahimi with you all. I hope you all are doing well and you are sound and fine. Dear all, the topic that I brought today to you is about modal verbs and the features of modal verb. I'm going to tell you today what is modal verb and the features of it. You must know that modal verbs are those verbs which indicate the modality. Modal verbs are those verbs which indicate the modality. In other words, we could say that modal verbs are those verbs which are used to describe permission, obligation, prohibition, possibility, abilities, offers, and request. They are different situations in which we have to use modal verbs. Now, there are different modal verbs with us, like may, might, must, could, can, should, have to, ought to, would, will, shall. They are different modal verbs which are describing different situations. If we talk about can, it describes the ability and possibility, request and permission. When we are talking about the ability of someone, we are saying, I can speak. I'm talking about my ability of speaking. I can write. You can watch. You can exercise. They are the abilities that we describe it with the modal verb. You must not play cricket. Prohibition. You must go to school. Obligation. They are described with the modal verbs. You must know that there are different features for modal verb. The features of modal verbs are that modal verbs doesn't have second and third form, means simple past and past participle. Besides that, it doesn't have any ing form or present participle. And modal verbs does not take S-R-E-S in front of it. After modal verb, we have to use bare infinitive. We should not use to plus verb. For example, you should to go is wrong. You should go. You should go. He can to is wrong. He can play. He can swim. He can watch. He can watch his favorite YouTube channel, EngLango. Now, these are what? These are the different usages of it. You must not forget that we are not using does not or do not before the modal verbs. One modal verb, that is an exception, which is have to. When we are making the negative of it, we are saying you do not have to do this, or you don't have to play cricket. You don't have to play cricket. Here we are using the modal verb before modal verb, don't. But with can, should, might, may, with them, with the rest of the modal verbs, we cannot use don't. This must not be forgotten by you because this is very important. And one is an exception, must not, could not, should not, but when it is cannot, then cannot must be written together. C-A-N-N-O-T, together you should write it down. This is what it was for today. And with the passage of time, we are going to learn about the usage of all modal verbs. Where do we use it? How do we use it? How we should not use it and where we should not use it. It was all for today. If there is any question, you're most welcome to ask it in the comment box. Thank you so much. Have a great time.